All right, what's up, guys? Look, I wanted to show you what kind of a trouble I was dealing with and thought I would share kind of a video demonstration. I sound a bit weird because I'm actually using my studio setup so you can hear it directly. So this is the kick drum, right? You can hear that? Good deal. And it works. Works perfect, right? I love it. Sounds really good. I love that. Boom, boom, boom. Heck yeah. So moving down, we got the low bongo. Now we've got the low bongo set. So I'm going to set a sequence because I don't feel like doing this by hand. All right. Cool. We have a low bongo. Yeah. All right. Well, pull that out. And we'll go into the high bongo. There we go. Yeah. A little high end. So far, so good. All right. Now we come on down here to the clave. Yeah. Sound good. Little click. Turn a little clap on it. Sound like a click, don't it? Little drop of water. Oh, little feedback. That's all right. Either way, it works. Now, when I plug it, now everything so far works. Now, when I get down here to the snare / noise out, which is this one, okay, the very last one, it mixes the snare and the noise. It mixes both of these together. So if I plug in, immediately, you hear that? But yet, it'll still trigger. But there's that hum. There's a really loud hum. Now, even the noise works, right? But now when I move to the mix, it's still there, but it is not present. When you plug in up here, it disappears. It is not. It's all the way in the noise circuit, and it doesn't matter what I do. Let me move that up. I didn't realize you couldn't see it quite so well. Now I move it down to the mix. So I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know why it's struggling, and I don't know how to fix it. But I thought I would record it and show you guys. I'm going to throw this up on YouTube and share it to the discourse. And if anybody has a solution, let me know. So far, the only thing I can think of is to change out the voltage regulator, which is the TL78LO5 or something like that. Don't quote me. I'll go look. But anyway, I'm going to try changing the voltage regulator. That's the only thing I haven't done. I've changed out Q1, Q2, and Q3, which is part of the noise circuit. I have changed out the capacitors and the diodes and the resistors. I've changed the 4011 AE chip, which is the one I use. There is a UBE and another version. I believe it's like there's an unbuffered and a buffered and then whatever. But anyway. So, yeah, that's pretty much all I've got. I hate that you're just staring at a screen. It's not really fully functional. But you know what? It's a minor issue, I'm sure, and we're trying to figure it out. I'm not really sure how to fix it readily. I haven't had a chance to run my oscilloscope on it. But you know what? I mean, this sounds pretty cool, right? Oh, yeah. Put a little, yeah. Gonna get this thing fixed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Get it fixed. Oh, yeah. pretty cool as it is. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Gotta get it fixed. Get it, put a little swing in there. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. What's up? Yeah. All right. Yeah. Anyway. All right. So you guys have a great one. I'll catch you next time, and cheers. I hope to get it fixed, and if not, you know what? It's whatever. We'll just play with it. Things are noisy. That's the way it is, you know. Synthesizers make a racket, and I love the racket. So if we can't get it to be the kind of racket we want, we'll just work with the racket we got. So, yes, I will see you on the next video, which hopefully will be on Tuesday. I'm going to reverse engineer a power supply, turn it into a Kosmo module. How about that? So, cheers. See you next time.